Arius, number one issue for you as far as priorities at the Corps?
Yeah, so one of the things that the Sec Army has challenged us within the Army as a whole, he continues to use the slogan "People First, Winning Matters," and keeping in context with that slogan, one of the things we're looking at heavy now is how do we ensure that our employees are enabled to be successful or to meet the intent of a 2028 workforce. So with that being said, we are heavily putting a lot of focus, whether that's funding, resources, and time into training our professionals. We talk a lot about many different capabilities, whether it's AI, whether it's machine learning, whether it's zero trust. None of those capabilities can be enabled without having subject matter experts that really understand what the capability does and how to properly implement as well as sustain those capabilities. Because one of the things we often find ourselves inside of the government is doing is we bring a lot of new technology in, but we don't know how to sustain it going forward. So that's what we're working to do now, is to really put more into our workforce to train them up. So we are looking at, we're working hard with Big Army, that's at the headquarters CIO level, with a program called Quantum Leap. So Quantum Leap is more so of a skills-based program that will allow us to get after the skills versus more so from a legacy concept of certifications. Yes, certifications are needed. However, certifications can also be a snapshot in time. So we're now looking at how can we ensure that the skill sets of those individuals are properly enabled and properly exploited, so that when we move towards a lot of these new concepts as well as employ them, our individuals inside of the federal workforce will know how to properly implement them, execute them, maintain them, as well as modernize them when that time comes.
That's out.